you like this video, just hit that thumbs up button down below. Also, you can hit the subscribe button to join the family and hit the little notification bell next to it to be notified of any new videos.
Hi, welcome to Craftmas Day 4, and today I'm going to be making this lovely bunting ready for Christmas. In this tutorial you are going to need some red card, some white card, some yarn or some string, some pigmented ink pads, some stamp letters, some Christmas pictures for stamps, some scissors, and maybe some embellishments. So the first thing we're going to do is put a dot every 2 inches along the page, and then at the bottom of the page we're going to do a dot every inch. This gives even spacing. Next you're going to join up the dots, making triangles across the page. Then you're going to draw a line across the top of that and it'll make triangles in between the triangles. Like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the piece of red card and the piece of white card, and just above that line we are going to fold these in half. We're going to cut 4 at the same time. So we're going to cut that, like so. And then we are just going to cut along the lines. And we've got loads of triangles now. Some of these are going to be needing to be cut through the middle. So now I'm going to separate them into the different colours. Okay, so now we have 2 piles, and we are going to write Merry Christmas on these little triangles. So we'll start with Merry. So we have our little stamps now, and rather than use my big thing, I'm going to use my the back of one of my ink stamps. I think I'm going to use the black ink for this. I want it to be quite bright. I might use silver on the opposite ones. So we'll start with black on the white, I think. There we go, and I'll come back to you when I've finished them off and I've done Christmas. Okay, so now I'm back with all of my pieces. It says Merry Christmas, and I'm going to make some extra little bits. We're going to get the same piece of card again and just cut off some strips. So we're going to use the Santa and the little decoration, and we're going to make sure we've got enough ink on the pad. Then we are going to stamp it halfway up one of these strips of white paper, like so. And then we are going to cut the piece of paper a little bit above the gift. And then we are going to cut a triangle from the corner to the centre. Go. I'm going to fold this top edge over. I'm going to leave that to dry because we're smudging the ink. So the next job will be to take some twine or string or whatever you want. This is the piece I'll be using. And we're going to start attaching Merry Christmas to this. So the way I'm going to use to stick it is I'm going to put a piece of glue down each edge, if you can see, And I'm going to stick the piece of string over the bottom of the top edge of glue, if that makes sense. Then take another triangle and we're just going to put it on the back of the first triangle the best we can. And they might overlap slightly, but you're not really going to notice it, and you can always trim it off just to tidy it up a little bit, like so. And we're going to do that the whole way along. So there we have it. That is the bunting all made. Obviously you can add different things to it. If you want to add like little bits in between, you can add like little hollies or whatever you want. You can also add maybe ribbon in between if you want to make it a bit more pretty. You've got lots of different options. I'm just going to stick like this because I've got a place in mind for it. And that's just basically it. I'll show you it in place in a minute. Here it is, hung up, as you can see. And it's just a little cute way of decorating just with paper and stamps. And it's just a very, very basic design, but I just wanted to show you how you can just make something so nice out of very, very simple materials. So I hope you enjoyed that video. This is the bunting all made, and it says Merry Christmas. And obviously you can make it say whatever you want. You can make it say Happy Christmas, or you can make it say Noel, or if you want to use bigger pieces you can. It's very much up to you. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!